Hello friends, in this particular class we are going to discuss how to debug in Eclipse environment. Now we all have seen this mobile phone test class so far, right? So what I can do is, when I want to debug something, I want to stop the program at a certain location. In this case, my main method starts here, and this is the first statement that will be executed. So what I have done here is that I have put a breakpoint here. Now the way you put a breakpoint is that you can go to run and you can put the breakpoint like this, right? It will show up as a small dotted line over here. Now what that means is that program will come and stop here. Next, in this line, I am calling this class mobile phone. So I go to mobilephone.java and I have put a similar breakpoint inside the constructor here and inside this method here. You can see the dots here, and I can put one here as well. So now I have a breakpoint here and I have a breakpoint here. And when I go to the mobile phone test Java, I have the breakpoint here. So now what I can do is I can go to run and I can start the whole thing input. It will come and it has actually stopped here, and it's trying to highlight here where it has stopped. On the right hand side you will see a window where the variables and their values will be shown. Right now there is no variable because we haven't really launched any object yet.